From our base in Navi Mumbai, India, the emerging data center hub of the nation. Established in 2010, Asian Infotel Private Limited, also known as AIPL, powers businesses with seamless connectivity solutions. We deliver ISO-certified IT network security solutions. We specialize in managed services, cybersecurity solutions, and network management services, crucial for today's data-driven businesses. AIPL's vision to redefine enterprise networks in India and now globally. Our mission is to offer business continuity by delivering state-of-the-art network solutions. Our core values are based on employee and customer satisfaction. At AIPL, we understand that successful organizations are built on passionate people, efficient processes, and world-class products. We are proud to have a dedicated and driven team committed towards customer satisfaction.
Being Vice President of AIPL, my priority is quick delivery of services. Our major focus is on delivering services seamlessly and prioritizing our customers. Most of the customers, our top-notch customers, have appreciated our process, the changes what we have brought into the existing process. We are going to be AI-driven, and soon our process is going to include the various features of AI.
At AIPL, people are at the heart of everything that we do. Our motto is one team, one dream, one effort. Over the years, we've come together to celebrate various festivities as well as conducted a lot of recreational activities for the welfare of our AIPL family. So here our achievements are not just recognized, they are also valued and celebrated. So here people come together to support, grow and thrive at Asian Infotel Private Limited.
Ensure your business continuity with AIPL's Missile, a world-class managed internet service providing reliable connectivity across pan-India. AIPL's telecom expense management presents a significant opportunity for Fortune 500 and large Indian enterprises to optimize and drastically cut down on telecom expenses.
Customized network services has been my motto as a R&D head of AIPL. Nothing gives me more pleasure than providing customized solutions to BFSI and other customers. At the end of the day, customer smile speaks more than 1,000 words. So we have provided customized solution to HDB, the group company of HDFC, that they can monitor and manage the device without static IP, as well as we provided them the setup like only customized MAC address will get the access to internet and other applications.
AIPL's FMS engineers provide expert network resource support to leading banks and organizations.
I am associated with Asian Infotel from last 15 years. I have been dealing personally with Asian Infotel, basically for the services, network related services, security related services. We are acquiring a lot of services from them earlier also in my previous bank, and now also we are using their services. We have placed order for the security devices.
At AIPL, me and my full team believe in growth mindset, and we take every challenge as an opportunity for growth, innovation and excellency. Our joint spirit and collective effort make us to reach our targets, make a meaningful business impact and gain the customer satisfaction. Our shared passion, dedication and commitment to the customer will lead us to great success. With combined effort, talent and expertise, I am confident enough that future will be bright in AIPL ever before.
With global ambitions and a 5x growth plan, AIPL's employee-centric approach attracts and serves prestigious clients like Capgemini and Discount Tire, a retail leader in the US tire market. At Asian Infotel, we're not just building networks, we're building the future. A future where connectivity empowers innovation, drives growth, and transforms lives. We invite you to join us on this journey. Together, we can connect the world.
Our strong leadership team, AI-led processes saw our sales turnover grow more than 100% in this period. With local and global expansion on cards, the future looks even more enticing. 5x growth in the next 5 years is our new motto. Thanks to clean compliances, support from the Almighty, and efforts of our team Asian, we will surely make this happen. Together, we will do it.